Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO. This video will help you configure and use tags for media uploaded in your portal. Tags help viewers easily find media they're searching for. Similar tags not only generate a list for related media but also give viewers a quick summary to identify what the media is about. VIDIZMO allows administrator and manager roles to set predefined tags, so they can control and restrict irrelevant tags from being added while media is being published. To add tags, from the navigation menu on your portal's homepage, select Portal Settings under Admin and click on the Library tab. Select Tags and the Global Tags screen will open up, where you'll see all the tags that have already been added. Type the new tags you want to add and press Enter on your keyboard after each tag to add it in your portal's tag cloud. To restrict publishers from adding new tags to media that are not listed as global tags, uncheck the Allow Publishers to add new tags when publishing or drafting videos checkbox. Click Update to save the newly added tags. Contributor Plus roles can add global tags to describe media while it's being uploaded. Select Upload Media from the Add New Media screen. Once you have uploaded the media file, you'll be redirected to the Media Settings. On the Basic Settings tab, you can select relevant tags from the predefined global tags to describe the media's content. Publishers will be restricted from adding new tags that have not been defined in global tags. Moreover, VIDIZMO also offers automatic tagging for audio and videos after analyzing their content. Once you're done defining the settings for your media, click Save and Close. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.